Hi everyone. So welcome to this series on project development. So the very first project that we will pick in the series would be a snakes game. So let me show you. Okay. So this is a very cool version of the snakes game that you might have played in childhood on a video game, and this is a cool version by Google with lot of cool animations. So we'll try to make a simplified version of this game as a first project in this course. So if you carefully analyze the components of this game, you will see there are a lot of programming concepts that you can see they will be involved to make this game. Okay, so firstly you see something called a number. Let's call this as a score variable, and let's say score is 5 and you're displaying this score on a screen. So that's where variables come into picture. Here you see some object, let's call it as food object, and you can see this food object is randomly generated at any coordinate x comma y on a screen. Okay, so this is an object, and this object can have different properties like the coordinates of this object, like the image corresponding to this object. Maybe you can have a color of this object. Okay, then you can see this is a snake, and maybe I can say snake is made up of cells, and let's say this is like a array. Okay, so you will need a data structure to create a snake object. Okay, and you can also see when this snake is moving, you have to write logic. If it is like colliding with the food, then it will eat and it will increase the length of the snake. Okay, so something like you are pushing more cells in the snake, so you will do something like push operation, like you do in a data structure like a array or a vector or a queue. Okay, and if you want to see if the snake is going out of the box, okay, then you will need some conditional statements like if else. Okay, you will need some checks on the boundary. Okay, so clearly we can see lot of programming concepts that you might have studied in a programming language like C++ or Java or Python. They can be implemented, they can be used to make this small game. Okay, and lot of other real life applications as well. So in this section our focus would be how to use these projects, how to code this in JavaScript, and how we can build a game. Okay, we will also learn a concept called game loop, so that we are able to simulate the behavior of the game and we can make this as a game. Okay, so you can see the screen is getting updated continuously. Okay, so at every step the screen is changing, and we have to implement a loop so that screen is changing continuously. Okay, with every time step. So that we will see how to use all these concepts and write a game. So let's start with the next video.